Hi, my name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist and I'm going to show you how to make parchment paper in Illustrator. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to your toolbar and select the rectangle tool, or you can push M. And I'm just going to drag this across my paper. And you're going to want to choose like a creamy color, like something papery. In fact, we can make it a little bit lighter. And then you want to go to Effect. And you can go to, let's try the artistics and see what we've got in there. Actually, we're going to use, under Sketch, you can go to Water Paper, and this will just give you a kind of a really like a papery look just by the cross hatching. So then it's going to take a couple seconds. Now you've got your parchment paper, and now we're going to add some text to it. So I'm just going to put some sample text, and then you can go to font, and you can pick whichever you want. I'm going to see if there's we're going to want this to look a lot like parchment, so we're going to want it to look a little bit like fancy handwriting, something like that. Yeah. Okay, and then you can go to your little colors, and if for whatever reason you can't find the color you want, you can go to your swatches panel, and in the right here you can select this menu that pops up, and you can go to all these different colors, and I'm going to choose Nature, Stone, and Brick just because it gives me some nice colors. And then I'm going to choose this color. And then if you want your parchment to look slightly fancier, you can add some elegant curl with either the line tool or the brush tool. It's really up to you, but I'm going to use the line tool, and just make sure that your fill button is off. And then you can select whatever color you want. I'm going to select this color. And then I chose this design, which is under Open Brush Library. If you go to Decorative, Elegant Curl and Floral Brush Set, this little brush set will pop up. And I'm going to choose this little piece right here. Put it across like that. You might want to make it a little bigger. And sometimes it won't do it right away. You'll have to select your line, and then you'll have to select the design of it. And there you have it. You've got a nice piece of parchment paper with lovely text. And that is how you make parchment paper in illustration. My name's Alex. Thank you very much.